Tucked behind the Blue Mountains Collingwood and surrounded by pristine landscapes of the Beaver Valley region, known for its alpine ski resorts and outdoor lifestyles, yet just 60 to 90 minutes from larger urban centres of the GTA, is Ontario's newest up-and-coming community, Markdale. Home to Chapman's Ice Cream, a newly proposed hospital, as well as other amenities that will provide new employment opportunities, this quaint town is welcoming some new growth for the first time in many years. Devonleigh Homes is proud to present its newest community, Centre Point North in Markdale, and looks to complement its small town charm while maintaining the local integrity and feel. Whether you're a new family looking to lay down roots in the comfort of a small town, newly retired and looking to right-size, or just looking for that getaway home near an outdoor four-season playground that you can escape to, Centre Point North offers an appealing mix of craftsman-style townhomes that will afford a refreshing change of pace, allowing you to switch gears and relax in the comfort, value, and style from Devonleigh Homes that you've come to know and trust.